select the menu option User and then Security Rights from the menu option. This shows you the user demo, here highlighted, and the security privileges that user has. With security privileges, we have a second way of viewing security privileges. We can select the menu option View and view security groups so that we see which users are allocated to a security group. Let me repeat that. I'll go back to View, Users, and double click on Keyfile Demo User. By default, I'll see the Mask toolbox and the User toolbox. Going to the menu option User, Security Rights, I see the security privileges that a user has. There are two security groups here, Public and a Personal Security Group. Within a security group, you can see we have some letters here representing object rights against Keyfile objects. And remember, Keyfile security is applied at the object level. Here are the object rights. We can read, i.e. open and view an object. We can export and print it, add annotations to it, insert pages into a document, documents into a folder or basket, and documents or folders into a file cabinet. We are allowed to edit the properties of an object, be it a folder, basket, document, or file cabinet. And we are allowed to modify that object and delete it. Change group allows us to modify the security group that an object belongs to. Select group and edit group have no reference in the workspace environment and are security privileges that can be applied to users in the classic desktop environment. I'm not going to discuss these here. The default object is a user's default security group that gets used when an object is created. You'll see more about this later on when we actually create new security groups. However, to show you briefly, I can change a user's security privilege within a security group by simply clicking on the privilege I wish to remove or the privilege I wish to add. Here you can see I've removed the demo user's privilege to add comments. I click the Apply button